Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. So today we'll be doing this really beautiful hairstyle. So I'm going in with the Nitro Canadian hair wax. I am also going in with the Eco Styler gel, and this is in argan oil. I will be using some small rubber bands today. And also, this is the star of the show. This is a Ghana twist or passion twist. This is from the Realistic brand, and it is a itch-free, pre-stretched, easy and quick, very lightweight hair. It is 24 inches long and it's in the color number 2. I'm also going with a white tooth comb and a crochet latch hook. I'm using the wild growth oil as well as the hair booster to moisturize my hair. So we're going to put our hair into 2 sections, one in the front and one in the back. We're going to put the back section out of the way for now because we're not ready for that section yet. We'll be working on the front section. In the front, we'll be separating this into 3 smaller parts. Okay, so you want 2 on the sides and 1 in the middle. Get them as even as possible so that the hair can look real uniformed and nice. So we're going to put the middle section and one of the side parts out of the way, and we'll be working on one side of our hair. Now with this section, I will be parting out a smaller section so I can go ahead and start my flat twist. So to make my flat twist lay flat, I will be going in with the hair wax and I'm applying that to the base of that section right there, and then I'll go ahead and start flat twisting. So basically you will be twining, or you will get your hair together and twist it backwards away from your face, and you will be doing this as tightly as not too tight though, because it's a protected style, but as tight as possible so that it can look very neat. Once you get to the end of that, we'll take a small rubber band and I will apply that to the base to hold that into place. Now onto the other part of that section, I'm detangling, and then I will part that into 2 equal parts. So it should be looking like this. I'm going in with the hair wax once more, and I'm applying that to the base of each of those smaller sections. This will help for my hair to lay really flat and neat, and I'll go in with my edge brush to smooth that in also. Now I'm taking a small rubber band and I'm just putting that into a small ponytail. Don't pull this too tight, guys, because the rubber band can break your hair, so just take your time. And then I go on and I twist the rest of the hair down. Okay, so onto the other section. Again, I'm taking the hair wax and I'm just applying that to the base of the hair. Then I'll smooth that in. Now I'm going to take the front section and I'll add that to the second section, and I'll take my rubber band and I will just put that in a small ponytail. So it's like I'm creating a cornrow, but I'm using the elastic band method to do this instead. Once I have that, I will be twisting that section up. Alrighty, so what I did on this side, I will be doing on the other side. Okay, so fast forward, I'm in the middle now, and basically I will be parting this into 2 equal parts, and I'm lining up with the 2 side sections. The parting on the 2 sides, I will be lining it up so that it can be as even as possible. Try to make your parts as clean as possible since they will be showing. You want it to look real neat. Okay, again, I'm going in with the hair wax, and I'm applying that around the base, and I'm smoothing that in, and I will basically be doing the same process that I did on the side of my head.
Everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts. To last, said you wanted honest, I'm giving you my hand. I'm dropping you.
Alrighty, so we're done with the front and it's on to the back. So basically I'll be putting my hair up to the highest point of my head, and I'm taking the Eco Styler gel. Actually, I'm taking more. I'm taking the Eco Styler gel and I'm just applying that to the back of my head, and I'm just brushing that upwards, as you can see here. So I'm just gathering everything together. I'm taking those twists from the front section and I'm putting that into my high ponytail. I'm taking my scrunchie and I'm just putting my hair up into a little puff or a ponytail. I'm going in with the Got To Be Glued spray to hold my hair down some more, and I'm just smoothing that in. I proceed to braiding the end of my hair, and then I'll just secure that with another rubber band. Okay, so again we're going with the passion twist, and I really like this here. Right here is just a little flyer that came in it telling you how to maintain the hair once you're using it. Here I'm just counting how many strands are in each part, because it comes with 3 different sections, and in each section it has 12 twists. So I'm going on to applying the twist onto my braid. So I just push the hook, I just push my crochet tool beneath my braid, and as you guys can see, I'm just applying that twist onto my braid. Right here you guys just need to add in that twist so that you can basically cover up your braid. So you just add it in random places. Don't put too much at one part of your braid. You can go around. I even applied a twist onto the base of my hair so that it can be more uniformed, and so that I can cover that hair once I go in with that ponytail. And also I did a little method where I didn't use the crochet lash hook. I just used the hair straight from the package and I just tied it around the base of my hair. You guys will see that soon. So you can see that I'm applying that onto the base of my head with the crochet tool. Okay, so you're just trying to cover your braid as much as possible. So right here I'm showing you that the hair came like this with that little string, and what I did was I just applied that on around the base of my ponytail, and I tied it into the back. You want to secure it real tight, not too tight though. You want to secure it towards the back of your hair. And look at this magic, guys. Just watch out for this magic. Like, once I flip my hair over, like, look at that, everything was covered. So I did that in the front and I did that in the back, and I also went in with the extra hair and I just added hair where necessary. So once I was done, my braid that I had from my natural hair was basically covered. So I just took some hair from the back and I'm just wrapping around that ponytail to make it look more seamless and, you know, more like professional. So I'm just doing that, and I secured with some hairpins. So I'm going back in with the hair wax and as well as the gel. So I applied the gel first and then I go over with the hair wax for maximum hold. And then I proceeded to do my baby hairs. This part is always optional as usual. So I'm just playing around with the baby hairs right here, like looking all cute and soup, and you know. To me, like, once I added these baby hair, like, this hairstyle just came together. Okay, like it looked even cuter. Oh yeah, and I went to the got to be glued for maximum, because you know my hair is like unruly when it early, so I have to go in with the got to be glued to hold it down some more. And here I'm just adding some cute little hair accessories. You can get this from your beauty supply store, real cheap. And also I'm adding some beads to the twists. So guys, it was kind of struggle. So I got my hair pin and I pushed the hair in between the pin and I just pushed it through the bead and it went. Here I'm trying to show you guys. So I pushed it here between the hairpin and I pushed the bead onto it and it just slide like right up, like real easy. So I just had a few of those to my hair so I can look all cute and whatever. And with natural hair you need to tie your hair down. Okay, it took me a while to learn this. You need to tie your hair down so it can lay as flat as possible. Okay, so I'll be back. So here I am all glammed up and whatever, and I'm going in with the hair growth oil. I'm just applying that to my scalp between the partings that I have there, and I'm just going to moisturize. I'm just going to moisturize and rub that in. Also, just a little pointer, if you want to get rid of that white residue, you can always add oil or Vaseline or hair oil over it so that it can reduce that look of that white residue on your hair. So that hair booster, I'm just really applying that onto the front part of my hair because I do need help there and so on. So basically this is what the hair is looking like, guys. I really like this hairstyle. Like, it was so easy and simple, and this lasted me the whole week. Actually, I'm doing this voiceover like the other week after doing this hairstyle, and I just took my hair down. So I really like this hair. As you can see in the back right there, not seeing my braids, and that's the side view right there. It's looking like real cute. You can also wear this hair in a bun. So here I'm just wrapping it around. And I really like the way that it looks in a bun. Like, it looks real cute. Like, look at that. Oh my god, really love this hairstyle. It's so versatile. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and hope you guys learned something new today. And please give my video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Toodles. Look at that twist, like it looks so real. Later.